The MagBeast 4MT is a powerful yet portable 4-Morse taper, heavy-duty magnetic drill. The high-powered 1800 watt motor, high-torque gearbox and 4-speed selection provides the user with control and power to master any hole-making requirement. The MagBeast 4MT can drill up to 110mm holes with annular cutters, 47mm holes with twist drills, countersink up to 75mm and ream up to 45mm. The one-piece sliding gearbox provides unrivaled stability, precision and accuracy to make hole making easy.